10th anniversary vacation to Hawaii.
Come along with us as we celebrate our 10th anniversary. We are flying directly from DFW to the island of Maui on a Boeing 777. After we land, we take a 45-minute ride to our resort and home for the next 4 nights, the Outrigger at Kaanapali Beach, one of the original hotels on the west side of Maui. We got a beachfront room on the 5th floor, just right for watching sunsets and listening to the waves of the Pacific. I wanted to make sure Christy got a traditional Hawaiian lei, so I made sure she got laid as soon as we got there. It's spelled L-E-I for you dirty-minded people. We got breakfast each morning at the on-site restaurant while we overlook the beach. It's all open as the climate here is wonderful year-round. The beach isn't crowded here at all, and we walked along the seashore at daylight and dusk. From the black rock cliffs at Kaka'a Point, the sugar sand beaches didn't disappoint. We went snorkeling off of a catamaran the second day and enjoyed the boat ride, and we actually sailed back to our hotel. They pick you up right on the beach. We enjoyed dinner by the sea that evening, and another fabulous Maui sunset. For day 3, we are going to drive around the island to the north side to visit Twin Falls, see the sights, and enjoy our day. We have our first luau scheduled for tonight, and we are excited. The Myths of Maui is the island's longest running beach luau, and it's 3 hours long. It includes all-you-can-eat buffet, open bar, traditional Polynesian dancing, and a Samoan fire show. We were quite impressed with the whole thing.
Aloha from Maui, and mahalo.
The Maui portion of our trip closes as we board a Hawaiian Airlines Boeing 717 for a 23-minute flight to the island of Oahu, landing at Honolulu. After an 8-mile, 1-hour ride to the new hotel, we are ready to settle into the Hilton Hawaiian Village. We chose the Hilton Hawaiian Village as it's an iconic place on Waikiki Beach, and many famous people have stayed there, such as Elvis Presley, Ray Charles, and 7 presidents of the United States. We stayed in the Tapa Tower on the top floor with magnificent views of Waikiki Beach and Diamond Head. Honestly, it was far too crowded for me, and much more like a huge city with a beach, but it's iconic nonetheless. I was ready to go to Pearl Harbor and visit the site where World War II started for the U.S. I have been learning about the war since I was 5, and I wanted to see the USS Arizona Memorial, the USS Bowfin submarine, and the Mighty Mo, the battleship that the Japanese signed the unconditional surrender on in Tokyo Bay. It was a somber and eye-opening experience to see the oil and bubbles still coming up from the USS Arizona, where nearly 1,200 men perished on December 7, 1941. We also visited the Air Museum, full of aircraft from not only World War II but many others. These bullet holes are from Japanese strafing runs almost 85 years ago. It was nice to see firsthand what I had been reading about for decades. On board the battleship Missouri, we got to tour all the areas of the ship. This ship was used in World War II, Korea, and the 1991 Persian Gulf War. She will likely never see combat again, but it's nice that they have preserved this massive juggernaut for people to tour. After the Pearl Harbor tour, we went and got a nice couples massage to round out the day. For dinner that night, we went to the Old Benihana's for a fabulous dinner and dining experience. Christy had king crab, shrimp, and lobster, and I got the A5 Wagyu beef and lobster. They even sang happy anniversary and gave us free dessert. A great way to spend our last evening in Oahu. It's time to fly home, and we are flying on a Boeing 787 with flight time about 6.5 hours back to DFW. The flight was very nice, and we were on our way back to Mina shortly after landing. Christy was tired on the ride home and snored while we drove back. I hope you enjoyed our 10th anniversary trip video. Check out our other travel videos. Aloha and mahalo.